first sound test of our newly acquired Leslie S-5T with mid-50s error correct bells, 2-piece 25, 2-piece 31, square 37, square 44, and the floating 55. Bronze tab backs, but it is not the error correct manifold. So we need an error correct manifold. But let's see how it sounds. And we're off. Well, a little disappointed in that. Just when I get back, I'll be pulling the chambers apart, giving them an inspection. I'll do a single chime test, and if it ain't just something simple, then I guess I will throw them in a box and send them out to Mike Muha and have them remachined. So until then, play loud, play safe, have fun, and don't let your horn squeal. See ya.